Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic where are sugar ants commonly found. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Sugar ants are commonly found throughout the America. However, banded sugar ants are not native to the United States and are present in Australia. These ants can come from anywhere because they live inside tiny crevices, cracks, gaps in the walls, baseboards, windows, cabinets, or floors, and come out when they need food and water. They invade cracks in the concrete floor of driveways, sidewalks, walkways, and parking areas and leave soil or dirt around the spots. Sugar ants particularly refer to banded sugar ants, but this term can also be used to indicate all the species of these insects that get attracted to sweet food items. These ants usually occupy indoor and outdoor places and build their nest to live and raise their population. They do not make large mounds like other species and hide in narrow spaces. Moreover, you can find these harmless creatures living in areas where they get food and water at short distances. They invade cracks in kitchen cabinets, particularly under the sinks. This way, they can get moisture and food from the wet sink or countertop and dirty dishes. The wall voids and leaky pipes are also attractive nesting sites indoor for these ants. In addition, they invade pantries and kitchens after detecting the presence of sweet food items and live there due to the availability of plenty of food. These ants are pretty small in size and can easily sneak through cracks in the foundations, gaps in windows, and small spaces in the doors to reach indoor areas. You can also find their population outdoors, where they find safe, wet places to live. Larger rocks and thick vegetation provide suitable space for these insects to hide and reproduce. In addition, they select cracks in sidewalks, driveways, paved roads, and parking areas to make their nest. You can identify their infestation by looking at the dirt or soil around the cracks. Furthermore, some of these ants live around the walkways under the landscape or invade a garden, causing damage to the grassy ground and plants. Sugar ants have a strong sense of smell and detect the presence of sweet food items in their surrounding areas. Some species can detect food odor from 100 feet distance. However, a few species are not so efficient in detecting odors from long distances, and the food odor is not strong enough to allure the receptors from several hundred feet distance. These insects can quickly reach the spot where sweet food or a water source is present and seem like they appear out of nowhere because they remain hidden until something attracts them. Accordingly, they can come out of the wall cracks, baseboards, and floor if there is a candy or chocolate on the countertop and juicy spills on the kitchen floor. Sweet and rotting fruits in the trash bins and chewing gum on the floor can attract these insects. The children can leave wrappers of chocolate on the table that can draw sugar-loving ants. A few common reasons for their sudden appearance inside the home is due to the presence of food sources and a nearby nest indoors or outdoors. In addition, some of them can come out of nowhere during the rainy season because there is a risk of nest flooding after rain. They come out of their nest and reach places to ensure safety. Warm weather also provokes them to come out of their nest and swarm in open areas. This swarming behavior is common in winged sugar ants because they mate in summer or spring. Furthermore, they can also reach areas around the sink, bathtub, shower drains, etc. in the bathroom when looking for moisture to hydrate their bodies. Thanks for watching the video.